Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. So today I'm going to make a simple and healthy raita, red amaranth leaves raita. These leaves are grown in a pot on windowsill in my kitchen garden. So they are nice and tender and perfect for making raita. So shall we proceed?
Red Amaranth Raita, a delicious and healthy accompaniment for your meals. For the raita, we have taken some fresh amaranth greens, red amaranth. This is grown in my garden, so tender and fresh. 1 tablespoon of oil, salt to taste, half teaspoon of mustard seeds and some curry leaves. And here we have yogurt, about 1 cup or as needed. Now the ingredients list and recipe link is also shared in the description box. First we are going to cut the greens. You can keep the fresh tender stalks intact, only remove the thicker ones. Those can be discarded. Now chop them up very finely. Always use fresh and tender leaves. When you are buying the greens, you can pick and separate the young tender leaves for the raita and set them aside. Now take a larger bowl and transfer the yogurt. Add little salt and whisk it. Set it aside. Now take a wider pan, add the oil, let it become hot. Now add the tempering ingredients, the mustard seeds and the curry leaves. I'm just keeping it simple with these 2 ingredients. Let them crackle. Once the seeds start spluttering, you can reduce the flame and add the amaranth leaves. As soon as you add them, switch off the flame. The heat of the pan will cook them because they are very tender. Just toss them. Let them cool before adding to the yogurt. They should be cool enough. So with a spoon, mix everything together and let it remain for some time. The flavors will be infused into the yogurt. Dish it out into a serving bowl. This is such a simple and healthy raita. Garnish it with a small tender sprig of amaranth leaves. Looks pretty, isn't it? Enjoy it. So friends, do give a try. This is a very healthy raita recipe. There are many other raita recipes also on the channel. I've posted quite a few of them. I'm sharing the list in the description box. Do check them out. And raitas make a lovely accompaniment with our meals, especially in summers. So you can have a variation of them every day, a different raita. So friends, stay tuned and stay connected to check out more delicious recipes on the channel. See you soon. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.